Just look how incredibly dirty shed is. That dust storm and the rain at the same time. I feel like giving my shed a wash today. Well, it's as windy as all hell, so I really can't do anything lawn wise with treatments. Today was too windy for any applications, so all I've done is just mowed to keep my grass under control. It's really growing quite fast now, and I've definitely got some more seed heads, so I just want to keep on top of them. And I'm putting I'm putting down some irrigation, half an hour each zone, simply because I want some moisture in the soil, getting ready for the green light root builder, plant growth regulator tank mix application I'm going to do tomorrow. Simply, it's been an extreme week of 47, 48 degree heat most of the week. I did water on Wednesday. You just need that bit of moisture in the soil before you apply your applications. It's, so a day before is quite good. I'm not exactly doing a complete deep watering because it doesn't really need it, but I'm just giving it a bit of a top up. By tomorrow the lawn will be fantastic. I've also got to make sure that I mow at least 6 hours either side of a plant growth regulator application, and I like to do 12 hours. So by doing a mow at 4 o'clock this afternoon, tomorrow at 5 AM I'll probably be up and doing my green light root builder plant growth regulator application. So I want to make sure that I've given it enough time. You don't want to mow it and then apply plant growth regulator straight away. If plant growth regulator wasn't in the mix, well, if you've got a cylinder mower, yes, and you've got a nice clean cut, yes, you can apply a green light and root builder tank mix straight away. But if you've got a rotary, I would give that at least 12 hours up to 24 hours just for the leaf blade to repair itself a bit before applying any sort of fertiliser. Simply reason is that rotary mowers will slash at the leaf blade rather than finally cut it like a pair of scissors, which cylinder mowers do. So yeah, look, not much for me to do today. 60k per hour winds kind of stuff up foliar applications, so I just have to play the waiting game. Today was supposed to be my application day, but it's going to be tomorrow by the looks of it. It is going to be 36 degrees tomorrow, hence I'll be doing it nice and early, first light in the morning. Really get that application into the plant. It takes about 6 hours to dry, and within that time then it won't be hopefully 36 degrees by that time. But look, it's really the first couple of hours after you do the application is the window. So alright, well, sorry not reporting much today. Today has just been a day at the computer, getting on top of all the Lawnporn messages, and on top of them doing some more book stuff, doing some more app stuff, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching the series. Sorry there's not much to report, but tomorrow's video will be a lot more fun. Alright, see you later. Bye.